Make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi and has internet before we get started. Tap the Spectrum Max icon to open the mobile client. Now let's start by making a phone call. Tap the phone button at the top of the Spectrum Max home screen. Select the dial pad button near the bottom of the screen to pull up the dial pad. Now just enter the phone number you're going to be calling. Remember to make sure the correct country code is showing before you place the call. Now once the number is entered, tap the blue phone icon to connect your call. Ring ring, looks like we're connected. Next, we'll review how to send a message. Now let's jump back to the home screen. Tap the plus button at the top of the home screen. Choose your message type and enter a phone number or use the search button to select a contact. Enter your message near the bottom text field and choose if you'd like to add an attachment. Choose Gallery to select a photo or video from your phone. Choose Photo to select your camera to take a photo. Choose Video to use your camera to record a video. Choose Music to send an audio file. Choose Location to send your location. Choose Contact to send a contact card for one of the contacts on your phone. Tap the green send icon to send your message. All done, your message has been sent. Voila, you did it! Thanks for reviewing Wi-Fi calling and messaging from Spectrum Max. For more information, email us at info@spectrummax.com.